so let's do my Korean skincare. Did my head get bigger? I'm gonna show you my Korean skincare routine because you guys, I am obsessed, and I thought this was the perfect time to show you because it's later on in the night, but I'm gonna do makeup, so I just want to like wash my face and stuff like that. I feel kind of gross. Do you already see my skin? Do you already see my skin? Already glass skin? Get into it, okay? Let me show you. So, I have my oh wait, I like my mouthwash and stuff on here. Okay, so I have my little skincare regimen right here. Let me take off my new face and all that. But it's literally only 5 steps. You start with the oil cleanser. Oh, first off, it's by Mixsoon. I've been learning about a bunch of different K-beauty brands, and I will tell you right now, I have some favorites, and I have some that I'm currently trying out, and then some that I've already been trying out. And Mixsoon is a brand that I've been trying out now, and I am obsessed, like obsessed. So first you have the oil cleanser. It's only 5 products, you guys. So I'm going to link everything down below. I'm pretty sure they have the bundle. I know a lot of you aren't on TikTok, but I'll link the bundle. This is what I'm going to do because some of you do have TikTok. So I'm going to link the bundle from Amazon because it's such a good deal. And then if you have TikTok, I'm not going to lie, TikTok has those deals. That's why it's just so crazy. So I'm also going to link the TikTok deal just in case, okay? But I'll do both. If you don't have TikTok, no big deal. The cleansing foam, so it's a double cleanse. I just can't get over my skin. Look at this. Like, literally due to this. I need a thumbnail. I need a thumbnail, okay? So I don't forget, like. Oh, that's glass skin. Okay, the foaming cleanser. Then you go into this toner, the Mixsoon Centella Asiatica toner. Centella is basically going to help with, like, redness and calming the skin. And then we have, this is the star of the show, the viral product, this bean essence. You only need like a pump and a half or 2. And it's like, you'll see the texture. It's pretty crazy if you haven't seen it yet. And then you seal it all in with the bean cream. So this one is so hydrating. It looks thick and it looks thick, but it just soaks right into the skin. I just have to share it with you because I am literally obsessed. I cannot believe the results I've achieved so quick. Like, it does not matter if you have textured skin, dry skin, super oily skin, whatever. You're going to be left with this glow of hydration. Look. And if you have super dry skin, like, you need to get on it. Like, this one will be so good. I'm just wearing the juiciest, this free sweater I got. Nutrition gave it to me, but let's do the skincare because this is my skin. I didn't even wash my face this morning. I'm not gonna lie. This is my skin from last night, my skincare. But I feel like I need to like redo it. You know what I mean? Before I go into my makeup, I feel gross. Even though I took a shower last night and I did my skincare, it's like, okay, I slept in this. I need to wash it off. So this is the perfect time, but I have to show you the results. And I use this day and night, okay? Sometimes I won't use the oil cleanser. Like right now, I'm not going to show you because I'm going to do my makeup, but this will take off your makeup. It's so good. Like, I just can't stress it enough. So let's get into the routine. And I've been obsessed with all these little plumeria clips. I should do a video on how I wear them. I always get compliments, like, look, I wear it like a pua. I always get compliments whenever I wear it. Okay, let me bring you up. I have you on a tripod. I'm using my Osmo, and so far it's looking good. Sometimes it really accentuates shit that's not there, though. Like, I'm looking at my dark spots. It's like, girl, I know I have the dark spots. It always happens at the end of summer, you know? And Tahiti really brought them out, but they're not as dark as this because I've been using my favorite product, like literally my favorite. I'm going to show you what I always use after dark spots before I get into this Korean skincare routine, the Murad Dark Spot Corrector. I'm already starting to run low. That I got my backup because that's how much it works. I've used this for over like 6-7 years and it helps fade them. Obviously it takes time, but it works. It doesn't take them away completely because they're just there and I'm prone to hyperpigmentation, but they lighten them up so much. Okay, I feel like I have a cat hair. Okay, let's get into it. So if you have makeup on or you want to do a double cleanse, which this will not be stripping to your face at all, you're going to start off with the oil. It's super thin here. I'll do like a little. I'll do a little. This is what it looks like, but it's so hydrating. It's crazy. Like, it feels so good. And then when you have the oil and you bring it all around your face, you just wipe it off. You wash it off with warm water. It'll wipe off. It doesn't like leave a oily film. But let's go into the face wash. So I always just wet my face. It's going to be hard because I don't want to face this way. It's just like better. And I have a window right here too, so you can see. You're just going to use a little bit of this foaming cleanser Oh my gosh, it feels so good. And you're just gonna work that into the face. It just cleanses the skin so nicely. Like everything is super hydrating, and I have an oily T-zone, okay? So I have combination skin. So even if you have oily skin and you're scared of hydrating products, that's because you're more oily. That's why you're more oily. If you feel like, oh, I'm using some light moisturizers, no, like you literally have to moisturize because your skin barrier is trying to make up for what it does not have. So that's why it's producing those oils to protect you. You know what I mean? Your body's reacting like, oh my gosh, like you're dry. You know, even though you think you're oily, you're like super dry. But I just add a little bit more. And this one's so nice. Oh, I love it. My face feels so nice and clean. But did you see that glass skin? Like, I'm telling you, when I get results from stuff, like I can tell when I'm going to love something. Like there's been some K-beauty products that I've tried. I'm like, do you want to know something crazy? Everything I bought from Japan, I thought I enjoyed and I didn't. A lot of the viral stuff, I take back my opinion on a lot. Like I am not impressed. Like the things like, oh, must buy in Japan. Like there's certain things that, yes, I still like, but like I will tell you right now, it's like 50-50 with a lot of the stuff that I purchased after using it continuously. Like at first I thought it was amazing. It was good. But then after a while, I'm like, actually, this is not amazing. This is not that good. So I should probably go over that. Just going to rinse this off. And obviously, if you use more water, you're going to get more foamy. But, you know, I'm not like in the water. Honestly, I just like working the product into the skin. See, you add more water, it gets more foamy. Just so you believe me. I'm not lying. But, okay, there we go. I needed more water. I was like, why does it look like I'm using imaginary face wash? But it's so nice and it feels so, oh, if you just feel these products in your hand, yes. I almost forgot one thing I did get from Japan. Look at these, from Japan, this My Little Melody little wristlet things so that the water doesn't go down. I'm not gonna lie. When these first started coming out, I was like, that is so stupid. I was like, that's dumb. That's straight dumb, but I like it. It really helps, so I put them on. I know I was hating at first. No big deal, okay? Hold on, let me rinse my face. And I am so sad. This is my last clean towel from my Clean Club box or whatever. I love these because they're clean every single time. I'm going to try to half it. I want it to last longer. And they're these little towelettes that are single use. Yes, single use, okay? Just like all those soft drinks and everything that you drink every day from fast food and then you toss away that paper cup. Yes, single use. And because people would try to check people, it's like, you know, like I'm trying to protect my face from, you know, from whatever bacteria and all this. I'm not doing this whole routine just so I can like, you know, be dirty and like cross-contaminate stuff. But I love these so much. Like they really, really help. I need to get another pack and then you just cut them. You do not need to use a full one every single time. You really don't. You just need to use a quarter of it like this. So I need to order now. That box lasted me freaking forever. Like I stretched that thing. What's next? Oh, the toner. So the toner is so nice and light. So what I've learned is the centella, that's just basically calming. It's going to help redness and help soothe the skin. So you just bring it, did you see that? Sorry, I'm excited. Like this. I'm really excited for YouTube, you guys. You have no idea. I just feel so much more like myself, you know? Like I feel like I'm getting my spark back for sure. So now I'm just gonna bring this toner and push it and pat. I've just been so much happier, you have no idea. The other day I actually thought, oh my gosh, I feel like I'm about to graduate therapy. And then I had my session, I'm like, yeah, no. I started saying some crazy shit. But I'm doing really good. Like now I've cut down my therapy into half. Like I'm so proud of myself. I really am. But I thought I was about to tell my therapist because she even said, she goes, you know, you're doing really good. You're putting in a lot of work. Let me know when you feel like you're okay. Like, because she's like, people do graduate from therapy. And I was like, I think I'm really getting there. I said, probably sooner than I think. And then that's when we kind of cut back my time. And she's like, how do you feel about this? Like not coming as much. And I was like, I'm actually okay because now I feel like I really have a lot to say every single session, where it's like before I almost felt like I had to think about what I wanted to say because I was going so often, which isn't a bad thing, you know, but it shows that I'm putting in the work and healing. Look at that. Love it. And so you just pat it on your face. My favorite is next, the Bean Essence. And so, yeah, but I had a session. I'm like, I'm not ready. I'm not ready to to be done. So this is the bean essence, and this is a crazy texture. I'm going to tell you right now, it might gross you out. Some of you, it might. I don't know. Okay? I don't know. Some of you might be intrigued. You might be gross. Like, it's okay. So you're going to do 2 pumps, okay? And you're like, what's so gross about that? Let me show you. Ready? So it's like this crazy, it's fermented bean. And I actually went to an event where, and then, okay, now you're just gonna let this soak into the skin. Look at that glow. That's what's gonna give you that glow. I actually can pump one more. I want like 2 to 3 pumps, okay? I was playing around with it too much. And I went to an event and they were talking about their farm that they have in Korea and how they have all these things like the regulations and how they take care of their farm, and they're just strict beyond measure, and how they truly just harvest like their beans and all that. Like, it's such a cool thing just to see a brand literally have so many millions of steps. And when you think about it, like other brands, and not knocking them, because I like brands that, you know, have, you know, all these acids and all that, but it's not like natural, you know what I'm saying? So it feels good to put something that's natural on the face. But look at that instant glow. I know, it is just so good. I love it. And then you're going to seal it all in with the cream. Now, I have actually used this whole regimen before my makeup because it soaks all in. Now, obviously, if I'm drenching my skin in this bean essence and drenching my skin in this bean cream, yeah, it's not going to soak in, but a little goes a long way. Even with this cream, like, that's all I'm going to use. I'm telling you, this, like, locks it in, and it's so glowy and hydrating. I love it. See? It locks in all the goodness. So I had to show you my favorite routine. I really look forward to doing this routine. You know what I also look forward to? Which is like a little self-care. Facial massages. Now, whenever I do this, I always go underneath my chin to try to make one chin, you know, my goal, one chin. And just do facial massages, and then I come up just to help plump the skin. It's just something I do, and I really like it. I'm not a professional, so I don't know all the true massages, but I just kind of feel like these really help. I'm telling you, when I do this under jaw one, it really helps depuff me and move the lymphatic drainage, because I did not do any gua sha today, but lymphatic drainage is a thing. I'm telling you, I'll do like one side and I'm like, damn, I had a lot of liquid to move. Shit. So yeah, look at my routine. I love it. I love it. Glowy skin. And you know what I love about this is I've invested a lot in my skincare, okay? Even though I receive a lot of PR, there's certain products that obviously if I receive PR and I'm done with it, yes, I can go ahead and ask the brand to send more. But sometimes it's just like, you know what? I'm just going to personally buy it. And yeah, I have like so much Murad. Like, I love Murad so much, and I invest a lot in my skincare. But these products are so affordable, and what they have done to my skin in such a short amount of time, I'm like, kind of contemplating certain products that I truly love, you know? And then they're also more natural. They're less harsh on the skin. They're just very soothing. I just love it. You know, they're the whole natural thing, you know, and I get it. Sometimes you gotta not go natural. Like, I'm gonna start trying out some dark spot correctors and some pads, like facial pads from some K-Beauty. I'm gonna see if they're gonna work. I'm gonna stop my Murad, and I know where I'm at, and I'm going to try it out for a month, and I'm going to see if it's even going to help fade it. Because for my Murad, I can start seeing fading within 1 month. Like, yeah, and that's pretty good. Like, hyperpigmentation's not fun. You usually have to do, like, you can do laser treatments, chemical peels, all of that, but I'm not going to do all that. I honestly do not want to invest in all that. I'll do other things, like I've been doing salt facials. Should I film that for you guys? I'm going to have a salt facial soon. Yeah, so let me know. But that's basically the only treatment I've been doing, and then Botox in my forehead. I'm not due yet. I don't mind having some movement, you know. I stopped the one. I stopped the one in my jaw. I was grinding a lot due to anxiety. It did slim the jaw when I did used to do it, but I don't do it anymore because I don't need it. It's also very expensive, and I'm one where it's like I don't want to get addicted to that stuff, you know. So I just do my forehead. and just like a little on the crow's feet, but I'm pretty good on the crow's feet. Yeah, this Osmo is picking up hyperpigmentation crazy though. Yeah, not sure why. Maybe I should I back up, right? So yeah, but this is the routine. Yeah, and I'm really glad to be back on YouTube. I really am. I love how I can just yip and yap. And again, thank you for all the feedback. I saw a lot of you. I'm not on TikTok. I get it. Trust me, I get it. I actually don't consume a lot of TikTok. It's also because I make a lot of content, but if I really had to pick, TikTok is not my favorite, even though I'm like doing good on that platform and thriving, like business wise, but it's just not my favorite. I don't know. The videos are just so quick. You don't get to know somebody. You're like, who the hell am I watching? Like, who am I following? Who am I supporting? I don't know. I'm big on that because I don't know, being a creator myself, I just know it's super important to like know who you're truly supporting. Do they really look out for their people? It's not just saying whatever they gotta say, you know, for that cha-ching. I just can't do it. I know so many people will be like, hell yeah, I'm jumping on that, but it's just not in me. You know what I mean? So that's what I mean by when you see creators who are just jumping on every single thing left and right. And I get it. You got to make a buck. Everybody has their own mind too. If they want to purchase something, that's another thing. Like no one is ever making some, like, you better purchase this right now. Like if you don't purchase this Korean skincare set I'm about to link, like, you know, no, like everybody has their own mind, you know, to purchase things. So yeah, I get it. But at the same time, it's the whole principle of lying. That's what it is. I just cannot lie. I cannot lie. I cannot live a lie. Your girl's way too damn blunt too. I am so blunt. I am so honest. I'm working on not being too honest and also finding a happy medium, which I have found. I have found lately. So that's good. But other than that, I had to rave about this because it's actually worth it. This is going to be such a good Christmas gift too, because I know there's so much damn K-beauty out there. Even for myself, like receiving all this PR, I'm like, what's good? Like, you know what I mean? So I said, okay, let me concentrate on like 3 top brands that people are truly raving about, who's been talking about it, who truly seems like a skincare person. And I have been loving Mixsoon. The other brand, Anua, is the one that I'm currently trying out like a couple items, but I'm not like deep into it yet, so I have to. They're the ones who I'm going to try out, like the dark spot corrector and all that. Their SPF is really nice though, which I already tried. But yeah, Mixsoon I've been trying way longer because I got this stuff like a while ago. Then I got more stuff, so I've been trying it out. So I really love it. The results were quick though. Like within 2 weeks, I was like, damn, this is good. Like, this is good stuff. It's priced so fairly. Like, for the 5 products on TikTok, though, I don't know how it is on Amazon. I'm pretty sure maybe the deal's similar. I don't know. Like I said, that's why I'm going to link both deals just in case. Okay, just in case. Well, that is it. This is my Korean skincare routine right here. So, love you guys. Again, go YouTube. All right. Love you. Bye.